Hey, I just felt like talking to the mirror. Okay, you do that one more time. Well, videos kind of suck because, my camera, if you pause in the middle of filming, it'll stop the video there. My Windows Media Player will not register the fact that there is an SD card, so I can't use any of the videos, or they're not licensed or something, I don't know. They're not working for a Windows Movie Maker, so I can't make them better. So they would be a lot better if I could use that. I'm gonna shut. I want to smack him. I'm Lil King Winter, and he's just some dude I just picked up off the street.
Remind me to kill you for that one.
My name is Lil L-I-L King Winter. And I'm
not gonna say mine.
Okay, nobody really cares anyway. But my name's like that because my name is Ryan, and that means Little King or Young Royalty in German. Do not do another thing like that. I will smack you. It means that in German. Little King or Young Royalty. I'm the Little King because I'm so sexy like that.
And I'm a rock from his castle.
Yeah, Steiner, his name. It means rock or stone.
It means stone!
He's a stone off my castle. I'm a hero. No, you won't. You're just a stone, weakling. Right?
I will kill you!
Don't speak unless spoken to!
Okay, I hate you already.
I'm just making sure my parents aren't I've only done videos when they're not home, so. Well, please subscribe because I have nobody. Noob. That's it. Kid, what are you doing?
Please don't subscribe, it's a trick!
No, please subscribe.
Don't subscribe, it's a...
Please subscribe, please. 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 So, goodbye. I gotta go.